Want to turn your Bitcoin into Solana without breaking a sweat? I've got you covered. First, pick a crypto exchange. For beginners, try centralized exchanges like Kraken, Coinbase, or Binance. They're user-friendly, but you give up some control. If you prefer more control, check out decentralized exchanges like Uniswap or SushiSwap, but be ready for a bit more complexity. Next, create an account and verify your identity. This usually means providing some personal info and maybe uploading ID documents. Now deposit your Bitcoin. You can do this via bank transfer, peer-to-peer trading, or from an existing crypto wallet. Once your Bitcoin is in, find the BTC Sol trading pair. Place a market order to buy at the current price, or a limit order to buy at a specific price. When your order is filled, congrats, you've got Solana. Optional. Want to hold your Solana long-term? Withdraw it to a wallet that supports Solana for better security. Remember, always check fees, prioritize security, and be aware of market volatility.